Welcome to 12 Bikes. Yan. So, good morning, no?
Good morning.
So, nag-ride kami sa Philinvest ngayong umaga. So, sobrang putik. As nakikita nyo naman kung gaano kaputik yung bike namin at itsura namin. So, kasama ko si Sir Jomike. Magba-bike check tayo kung anong ginamit niya ngayong umagang ito sa Philly Trail. Sir Jomike.
Okay, so today, nilabas natin yung Sir Lem. It's the Karate Monkey, medium. It's a 29 steel bike by design. XT with some SLX parts. Newly added the rental handlebar, 40 rise, and yeah, Fox suspension, Fox dropper post, also from 12 Bikes, by the way. So yeah, this bike is actually taken care of by this shop most of the time, and the wheel sets are they're both DT Swiss, 350 with the 511 wrapped in Vittoria Mezcals. Primarily an XC based setup, most of it, and Magura brakes.
Magura brakes. Magura brakes ni Sir Jomike ay yung empty trail.
Yes.
No? Quad yung harap, tapos double yung likod.
Yes.
Double piston. So yun. Sir Lee, guys. Thank you.
Yeah.
Balik tayo sa 12 Bikes pa rin. Bike check pa rin. Kasama namin sa ride si Sir Lem. So, Sir Lem, anong dinala mo ngayon sa ating pandesal ride?
Bike is Commensal Meta HT AM, so hardtail, all mountain. By geometry, ano siya, enduro. Though dapat kasi naka mallet setup to, pero ginawa ko siyang 27. 27.5 wheel set ko is stance flow gamit yung rim. Pillars yung spokes. Brake rotor ko 160 likod, 180 harap. Ang tires is Schwalbe Magic Mary front, Nobinic sa likod, 2.4 tapos 2.3.5, 2.35. Extra dropper, title na saddle, PS1.
Ganda na ito, maganda.
JS1 pala.
JS1.
Cockpit, galing 12 Bikes din to. This is the Fox, rental. Ito na yung light carbon. Oo.
Fat bar light.
31.8 ata clamping nito. Tapos may same with the stem, rental din. Fox 34 from 12 Bikes also. Brake ko is Magura. And Trail Sport din, quad front, dual rear. Tapos ang lever ko is Hope for the dropper. Basically yun lang.
Nice, ganda ng bike.
Thank you.
So yun guys, magkakaroon tayo ng Saturday ride dito and then pandesal ride pa rin. So sagot ni 12 Bikes yung pandesal niyan palaman. Di ba? So see you in the trail. Thank you.
Yeah.
Kotik. Ganda. Full shoes. Yan, binuhat na ni Sir.
Well, it's a full
Sir
shoes.
Jomike.
Expected naman yun.
So,
It doesn't feel strange. Like parang steel full shoes. Hindi siya ano.
oh, subukan mo, boss.
Sige, thank you. Sige.
Oo naman.
It's dirty though.
Pwede mo rin subukan yung deviate. So yan guys, test ride tayo sa Kotik. Si Sir gusto niya yung Sir Lee Yan. Test niya yung Sir Lee. Yan. So guys, tapos meron tayo ditong Commencal. Sobrang putik sa trail. Yan. So, deviate. So, yung NS bike. So, guys, meron din tayong Pandesal, that's why tawag natin itong pandesal ride. Pandesal with palaman. Cheese Swiss. Cheese Swiss baka naman. Diba? So magba-bike check tayo mamaya. Mga nakasama natin sa pandesal ride. Nice, nice.
Okay naman siya. It's responsive.
Yeah.
I was expecting it to be a bit sluggish because it's steel and it's full suspension. It's not. It's responsive.
It's compared to the bikes I tried. Medyo nakakano siya. It gives you confidence. It's a confidence builder bike, I think.
It feels like a truck.
Yeah,
Yun ang parang naka-SUV. Because of the way, you can feel the weight eh.
correct.
But hindi siya, it's not a slouch
Yeah.
to handle. But
It
it's
takes
weighted.
you where you should be. Alam mo yun, where you should be.
Sarap ibaba yan. It'll go where you point it.
Exactly. Exactly. That's the way to,
Pero parang ganun yung feeling mo, parang ka nakasakay sa SUV. You know it's got some weight to it, but it handles its own.
Happy with the, nakarally
Thank you, sir.
Ayan sir, pwede mo itong
Yeah.
orderin sa amin, yung Shirley.
Ha?
Pwede mo orderin sa amin yan, kung kailangan mo. Sir, thank you. Ingat.
Oh.